concert. We came in the beginning of the year, and I was worried about some of them, even if they could walk and chew gum at the same time. And then here they are on stage down in the spring, and they're all turning into great musicians. It's really, really good classics experience we have up here. We're going to wrap up our 6th grade portion with a little arrangement from a famous composer, Tchaikovsky, theme from 1812 Overture.